Welcome back to AI Growth Pathways. Today, I'm introducing you to Fliki AI, a user-friendly AI tool designed to help you create video content quickly and easily. You can find it at fliki.ai or click the link below. Fliki comes with various impressive features. What is the best part for beginners to try out its capabilities? You can start for free. If you're beginning your YouTube journey, Fliki offers many powerful functions without charge for checking up, so you can upgrade when you're ready to unlock more advanced tools. Let's dive into what Fliki can do. With Fliki, you can create content with ease. Let's walk through the steps to get started. After signing up on Fliki, you have a look at the dashboard with video, audio, and design workflows. 1. From the video workflow, you can create videos by choosing one of the following features. Idea prompt. Transform your ideas into video. Script. Transform script into video. Blog. Convert blog articles into videos. PPT. Transform presentation into videos. Product. Transform e-commerce product listing into videos. Tweet. Transform tweet into videos. Empty. Start creating videos from a blank file. 2. From the audio, you do quite the same thing. Choose one of the 4 options to create the audio file for the video. 3. You can choose the design style from the design options. Let's try the idea option. You can type the prompt like the truth about the world's cutest dogs. Choose the video duration. Here for the free version, you have only 1 minute long. And click next. Choose the aspect ratio. Take 9:16, portrait. Or select 16:9, landscape for our first try. Then select the language says English. Choose video and customizations. That's all for the free version, then click submit. Fliki generates a video with a specific layout, including scenes, voiceovers, background music, and visuals for every scene. You can customize all these things to your expectations. Background music, voiceover, and script from each scene. Now that you have finished your creation, you'll check it out and edit everything until you are pleased.
With its royal demeanor. Can you guess which dog breeds are the cutest in the world? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the truth behind their charm.
Click download, set up some more parameters, and click download MP4. Finally, you get the engaging video that you expect. Now, let's enjoy your creation a little bit.
Can you guess which dog breeds are the cutest in the world? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the truth behind their charm. The Shih Tzu wins hearts with its royal demeanor. French Bulldogs are adored for their quirky personalities. Pomeranians are tiny fluffballs bursting with energy. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are gentle and affectionate. But remember, every dog's cuteness is in the eye of the beholder. He looks smart and friendly. Hit the like button if this made you smile. Thank you.
Once Fliki generates your scenes, it will auto-suggest relevant videos and images based on the keywords in your script. If you want to swap any visuals, you can do so easily, but you need to upgrade your plan for most visuals. You can also choose voiceover options to give your video a voice matching your style. For example, let's change the voiceover to Mia, a natural, engaging voice that keeps viewers interested. Click Apply it across all scenes, and your video will have a consistent voice throughout. Another great feature is that Fliki includes AI art generators, as shown in the design option. For instance, if you need an engaging thumbnail, the fight between a king lion and a big male tiger, for your YouTube channel, enter your idea, and Fliki ensures you create unique, relevant content every time. Consider upgrading your Fliki plan to unlock features and enhance your content quality. With Fliki's accessible, all-in-one platform, creating quality content has never been easier. Thank you for watching the AI Growth Pathway. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more AI, and edge-cutting technology reviews. Thank you again for your support, and see you in the next video.